Navodayas are India's #1 central government schools. Are you preparing for Navodaya selection? Do you want to join Navodaya? I am already a Navodayan. I want to help you in your preparation. Navodaya Chapter 3, Fractional Number and 4 fundamental operations on them. So today we are going to do the first exercise. Okay, and fractions are somewhat different in Navodaya syllabus. So now we are going to do all the sums of this first exercise. So chalo, let's start with the exercise number 1. Okay, and now we are going to do the first sum. So here the first sum is the difference of 1 and 3 by 16 and its reciprocal is equal to. So here it is asking for the difference of 1 and 3 by 16 and its reciprocal. So here the number is given in mixed fraction. So first of all we have to convert this fraction into improper fraction. Okay, how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction? First of all we have to multiply the denominator with the whole number, and then we have to add this result with the numerator, right? 16 1 is 16 and 16 plus 3 is 19. So the improper fraction is 19 by 16, and then he is asking for the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 19 by 16? The reciprocal is 16 by 19, and then he is asking for the difference. So how we can find out the difference between these numbers? Then we have to do the minus, right? So then whatever we have to check for this 16 and 19. Here the 16 and 19 are two different numbers. First of all we have to find out its LCM. So what is the LCM of 16 and 19? That is 16 into 19, and 16 into 19 is 304. Okay, and then we have to find out, we have to write this whole number 304 here, and then we have to check like which number we have to multiply to the 19 so that we will be getting 304. So we have to multiply with 16, 19 here and 19 here, so that we will be getting 304. And for this number we have to multiply with which number? Then we will be getting 304, and we have to multiply with 16 here. So 19 jab it is 19 is 361 minus 16 is 256, and then we have to do 361 minus 256. 361 minus 256 is 105. So, and the denominator is 304. The answer is 105 by 304. This is the option. And here we could not find any option here. So, the answer is none of this. Okay. And let's move on to the second question. And the second question is, how many 1 by 8s are there in 37 and 1 by 2? Okay. So, he is asking for how many 1 by 8s are there in 37 and 1 by 2. Okay. Let's keep this problem aside and let's think of a problem like, how many 2s are there in 10? Like, yes, just think of this simple question. How many 2s are there in 10? So, whenever we ask any question like this, we can simply answer this. How we can say there are simplified 2s in 10. So, how we got that answer? So, for this getting answer, we did like 10 by 2, then we are getting 5, right? So, in the same manner, here we got to know how to do the process. So, what is the process? We have to divide this 10 by 2. So, second number by first number, right? So, in the same way, here also he is asking for how many 1 by 8 are there in 37 and 1 by 2. So, what is the second number here? 37 and 1 by 2, and we have to do the by of 1 by 8. Right? So first of all let's take this number. Here this number is, it is in mixed fraction. So first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 37 into 2 is 74. Okay, 74 plus 1 is 75 by 2. So here it is 75 by 2, and then we got division of 1 by 8. So while we are doing division of two fraction numbers, how we will do? We will be keeping the first number as it is and then multiply with the reciprocal of second number. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 8? That is 8 by 1. Okay. So is there anything to do cancellation here? Yes, it is there. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. And finally we have left with 75 into 4. And 75 into 4 is 5 4 is 20, 7 4 is 28, and plus 2 is equal to 30. So finally we could say 300 1 by 8s are there in 37 and 1 by 2. So 300 is the answer. Okay, and then let's move on to the third question. Here the third question is, see, if 5 and 2 by 3 divided by x and 5 by 6 is equal to 2, then find the value of 6. He is asking for value of x. Okay, so here the given question is 5 and 2 by 3 divided by x and 5 by 6 equal to 2. He is asking for the value of x. So first of all we have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17 by 3. Okay, and then here 6 into x is 6x, 6x plus 5 is 6x plus 5 by 6 equals to 2, right? So first of all we need to find the value of, okay, here it is given like division. So how we will be doing division of a fractions? First fraction will be same and second fraction will be the reciprocal of this, and we have to do the multiplication. So 6 by 6x plus 5. Is anything to do cancellation here? Yes, 3 1s and 3 2s here. Okay, so finally we will be getting 17 2s 34 by 6x plus 5 equals to 2, right? So then what we will be doing? So here this number is in the denominator, we will be sending this denominator to other side. Then this is in division, and upon going to there it will be become multiplication. So 34 equals to 2 into 6x plus 5. Okay, then 34 equals to 2 into 6x is 12x plus 2 into 5 is 10. So this is the equation we have got. Then we will be finding this 12x. Here the 10 is doing addition. So if we get this 10 here, then it will be doing minus. So 34 minus 10 equals to 12x. 34 minus 10 is 24. 24 is equal to 12x, and we want the value of x, right? So we will be sending this 12 into here, this side, other side. 24 by 12 is equal to x, and 24 1s are 24 2s. So value of x is 2. So the option number is, find the value of x, the option number 1, that is 2. Okay, and next move on to the question number 4. Okay, here he is asking for question number 4. Here the question number is, when 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 is divided by 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18, the result is, he is asking for the result of this divided by this one. So first of all we will be finding the value of this, and then later we will be going to the next one. So first of all it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, and this is the fourth question. Okay, fourth question, and plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. This is divided by 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18. Okay, so first of all we are having this one. So first of all we will be doing minus of this and minus of this, then we will be adding these two fraction, answer of these two. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. So first of all we will be finding the LCM of 2 and 4. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? It is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, 2 2s is 4. So while we are writing 2, and here the denominator is 2. We have to multiply with what number to get the denominator as 4? We have to multiply it with the 2, right? So whenever we are doing multiplication to the denominator, we have to do the multiplication with the same number to the numerator also. 1 2 is 2, and then minus 1 by 4. Here the denominator is 4 and we want the 4, so we can keep the same numerator here. And then this is the first fraction, plus, and coming to the next fraction, what is the LCM of 5 and 6? LCM of 5 and 6 is also 30. So we are having the common denominator as 30. With what number we have to multiply to this denominator to get 30? So we have to multiply with 6. Whenever we are multiplying any number to the denominator, we have to multiply with the same numerator to the numerator. So this is 6, and then next number is 1 by 6. So with what number we have to multiply to this denominator to get 30? We have to multiply with the 5. So if you are multiplying with the 5 here, we have to do the same to the numerator. So 1 into 5 is 5 here. Okay, so upon getting like this, we will be getting 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 4 plus 6 minus 5 is 1 by 30. So we got 1 by 4 plus 1 by 30. This is all for the first part. We are having the second part also. Let's add this 1 by 4 plus 1 by 30. So these two are denominators are different. So we will be finding LCM of these two, 4 and 30. Okay. So 2 2 ja and 2 15 ja, and anything else. So the denominator is 60. Okay, the LCM is 60. Okay, in order to get 60, we have to multiply with what number to get the denominator 60? We have to multiply with the 15, right? So whenever we are doing multiplication with the 15 here, we have to multiply the same in the numerator also. And here, in order to get the 60, we have to multiply with the 2 and multiply with 2. 1 15 are 15 plus 1 2 is 2. That is 17 by 60. So this is the first part of this problem, and we are having the next part also. And while coming to that, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 and plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18. Okay. So while doing this, 5 and 9 are two different numbers. We have to find the LCM. So 5 9 is 45. So we are having the common denominator 45, and then we have to multiply with which number to get the 45 here? We have to multiply it with 9. So whenever we multiply the 9 into the denominator, we have to multiply the same with the numerator, that is 18 minus, and we have to multiply with which number to the 9 to get the 45? We have to multiply with 5. So in the numerator also we will be multiplying with the 5 also. So 5 5 is 25. This is the one, and here we got 5 and 18. So what is the denominator, like LCM of 18 and 5? That is 18 5 is 90, right? So denominator is 90, and we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 18, and 18 3 is 18 3 is 54 minus, we have to multiply both denominator and numerator with the same number, that is with 5. Okay, 7 5 is 35. Okay, and here we got both of these things, and 18 minus 25. So 18 minus 25 is minus 7 by 45, and plus 54 minus 35 is 19 by 90. Okay, so here also we are having two different denominators, what is 45 and one is 90. So here also we have to find the LCM of these two. I think and while we are doing like this, we can make this 45 into 90, right, by simply multiplying both numerator and denominator with 2. So 7 into 2 is minus 7 into 2 is minus 14 by 90 plus 19 by 90. Here it is 90, 19 minus 14 is 5. So the next answer is 5 by 90. In the first part we have got 17 by 60, and the second part we have got 5 by 90, and he is asking for division. He is asking for the first one divided by second one. Okay, first one is 17 by 60. First one is 17 by 60 divided by second one. Second one is 5 by 90. Okay, next one is 5 by 90. We have to do the division. So here it is fractional division. How we have to do the fractional division? We have to write the first fraction as it is 17 by 60, and we have to write the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 90 by 5, and then we have to do the multiplication here. Here can we find anything to cancel here? Yes, it is there. 0 and 0 cancel, and these two are there in 3 table. 3 2 ja and 3 3 ja. Okay, and anything else to cancel here? No. So and finally we could say 17 3 ja 51 by 10. So the final answer is 51 by 10, right? But here all the answers are there in mixed fraction. So first then here we will also be transferring this improper fraction to mixed fraction. How to do that? So 51 divided by 10. 10 5 is 50, and the remainder is 1. So what is the mixed fraction from this? 5 is the whole number, and 1 is the numerator, and 10 is the denominator. Finally the answer of this one is 5 and 1 by 10. That is a fourth option. So this is the fourth sum, and next we will be moving on to the fifth sum. Okay, so fifth sum is here. He is asking for 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 28. Okay, so let's write the question here. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 28. Okay, this is the whole number. Let's keep it aside. Later find in the last we will be adding that. So before adding this whole number, first of all let's try to add all these fractions. Okay, here all these fractions are having different denominators. So first of all we have to find the LCM of all these different denominators, that is 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, and 7 will be same, and 2 7 ja, and 2 14 ja. Okay, and then we will be finding with the 2 only. 2 1 ja, 7 and 7 will be carried same, and this is also 2 7 ja, and then we can do with 7. So finally LCM of all these numbers is 2 into 2 into 7, that is 28. So LCM of these numbers is 28. So after getting LCM we have to make all these denominators equals to this LCM, that is 28. We have to make this 2 into 28, 4 to 28, 7 to 28, 14 to 28, and 28 will be remaining as 28 only. So let's do that. So I am taking the common denominator, that is 28. So we have to multiply with which number to the 2 in order to get the LCM, that is 28. We have to multiply with the 14, right? So I will be multiplying with 14 to the numerator and also with the denominator, so that we will be getting 28. 1 14 ja, 14 here. And then we have to multiply with which number in order to get 28 here? We have to multiply with 7, right? So I am multiplying with the 7 in the numerator also. Here we have to multiply with the 4 to the numerator and also denominator. Here we have to multiply with the 2, so that every fraction value will not be changed, but we will be getting denominator as 28. So first one is 14, and the second one is 7, and the third one is 4, and next fourth one is 2 plus 1. So this is the answer for this fractional part. 14 plus 7 is 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, 25 plus 2 27, and plus 1 is 28 by 28. So what is the value of 28 by 28? This is 1, right? So this is the value of fractional part, and here also we are having a one more whole number here, that is 1. So that 1 and this is also 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2, that is value 2 is the answer for 5th question. So is there any option like that? Yes, it is there. So option number 1, it is 2. And let's move on to the 6th question here. So while we are writing 6th question here, the question is 1 and 3 by 4 plus 5 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 2 by 5 is equal to. So let's do that. 6th one is value of 1 and 3 by 4 plus 5 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 2 by 5. All these are asking for the sum. Okay, all these numbers are, all these fractions are there in mixed fractions. So first of all we have to convert all these fractions to a normal improper fractions. Okay, how to convert that? 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 4 plus 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 plus 3 5 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. So here we are having different denominators here. So we need to find out the LCM. 4 3 5 and 2 2 ja, 3 ja, and 5. We will be getting the multiplication of all these numbers, like 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. Okay, so 60 is the denominator for common for all the fractions. And then while we have to get this 60 for all the denominators. So for the 7 by 4 we have to multiply with which number in order to get the denominator as 60? We have to multiply with 15 right here. So we will be doing same with the numerator, 17 into 50. Here we have to multiply with the 20, so we will be multiplying with the 20. Here we have to multiply with the 12. Here also we will be multiplying with the 12. So 7 into 15 is 105, and 16 into 20 is 360, and 17 into 12 is called 204. So we will be adding all this: 105, 360 plus 204, that is 9, 6, and this is also okay. This is 16 into 20 is 320. So sixth question is 1 and 3 by 4 plus 5 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 2 by 5. This is the sixth question. We have to add all these fractions, that is 1 and 3 by 4 plus 5 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 2 by 5. So he is asking for the sum. So all these fractions are there in the form of mixed fractions. So first of all we have to convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay. So converting this mixed fraction to improper fractions. 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Denominator is same, and 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 3, and then 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5. Here we got all the three different denominators. So first of all we have to find the LCM. So LCM of these is 12 5 is 60. So we will be taking the common denominator is 16. So with which number we have to multiply both numerator and denominator in order to get the denominator is 60. We have to multiply it with 15, right? So we will be multiplying the same to the numerator. We have to multiply with 20 to get the denominator is 60. So we will be multiplying with the same. And here we have to multiply with the 12. So we will be multiplying with the 12 only to the numerator. So 7 into 15 is 105. And 16 into 20 is 320. And 17 into 12 is 204. So then we have to add all these numbers. That is 105, 320, 204. Okay. 5 plus 4 is 9, 2, and this is 5 and 629. So finally we got the number is 629 by 60, and this is in the improper form. So next convert this improper form into the mixed fraction. Here no improper fraction is given, right? So we will be converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction. We have to do 629 divided by 60, that is 61 is 60, and 29 is 0 is 0, that is 29. Then the mixed fraction from this is 10 and 29 by 60. Okay, do we have that fraction here? Yes, we are having the option number 4. Okay, next move on to the question number 7. Question number 7 is 20 and 1 by 2 plus 30 and 1 by 3 minus 15 and 1 by 6 equals to. Okay, let's do that. Seventh question is 20 and 1 by 2 plus 30 and 1 by 3 minus 15 and 1 by 6. Okay, so we have to do, first of all we will be converting all these numbers to mixed fractions are there, right? We have to convert these numbers into improper fractions first. Okay, 22 is a 40, 40 plus 1 is 41 by 2 plus 33 is a 90, 90 plus 1 is 91 by 3 minus 15 6 is 90, 90 plus 1 is 91 by 6. Okay, so here we are having three different denominators, that is 2, 3 and 6. So first of all we will be finding LCM here. 2 1s and 2 3s. Here 3 1s and 3 1s. So 2 3s is 6. So 6 is the LCM, and we have to convert all these denominators to 6. So with what number we have to multiply to the 2 in order to get 6? With the 3, right? So we will be multiplying with the 3 in the top also, and then we have to multiply with the 2 here, and we will be multiplying with the 2 here. Here 6 is there, and so we are not multiplying with any number. Okay, and 41 3s is 123 plus 91 into 2 is 182 minus 91 is equal to, we have to find the answer, that is 123 plus 182, that is 5, 10 305. So 305 minus 91, 51 minus 5 minus 1 is 4, and 10 minus 9 is 9, and this is 2. So the answer is 214 by 6. So is there any option which is given like 214 by 6? No, these are all in mixed fractions. So let's convert this number into a mixed fraction. We will be doing that, and 6 3s are 18, and then 34, 6 5s are 30, and this is 4. So mixed fraction is 35 and 4 by 6. We can simplify this. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So finally the answer is 35 and 2 by 3. Okay, and is there an option like that? Yes, it is there, 35 and 2 by 3. Okay, the correct option is number 2. Let's move on to the question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is really very simple question, but it is looking like a different one. So let's do that. And the question is, let's write the question here. 8th one, that is 1 divided by 2 and 1 by 3, and then plus 1 divided by 1 and 3 by 4. Okay, in the denominator part we are having it separate mixed fractions. First of all, let's convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3, and then next one is 1 by, this is 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4. Okay, we got this one, and then this first one is 1 by 7 by 3, that equals to 1 divided by 7 by 3. So while we are doing that, first one will be same and next one will be reciprocal, multiplication of that reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? That is 3 by 7. So the first part is called 3 by 7, and while coming to the next part, one is 7 by 4 equals to 1 divided by 7 by 4, that is 1 into 4 by 7, that is 4 by 7. So then we have to add this one and this one, right? So 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So 3 by 3 denominators are same, that is 7, and the numerators are 3 plus 4. So 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is 1. So eighth one option answer is 1. So option is 4 number, option number 4, and the option is 1. So let's move on to the question number 9. That is, if 5 and 5 by 6 minus 3 and 8 by 9 minus p equals to 1, then value of p. Okay, if 5 and 5 by 6 minus 3 and 8 by 9 minus p equals to 1, then value of p is as refer. Okay, so first of all, we will be converting these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 5 6 ja 30, 30 plus 5 is 35, 35 by 6 minus 3 9 ja is 27, 27 plus 8 is 35, 35 by 9 minus p equals to 1. Okay, so here we are having two different denominators. Here we are having two different denominators, that is 6 and 9. Okay, let's find out the LCM of 6 and 9. 3 2 ja and 3 3 ja, right? 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. So LCM is 18. So we have to make these denominators equals to 18. So to that we have to multiply with the 3 here. So we have to multiply with the 3. And we have to multiply with the 2 here. So we have to multiply with the 2 here. So what is the answer of 35 into 3? Minus 35 into 2 by 18 minus p equals to 1, right? So here the p is doing minus here. If we do like send it to the other side, it will become plus. That is 35 3 ja minus 35 2 ja is 35 only. 35 minus 18 equals to, if we send this to the other side, that is 1 plus p. Okay, and if we send this 1 to here, this will become 35 minus 18 by minus 1 equals to p, and we can write this one as 18 by 18. So 35 by 18 minus 18 by 18 equals to 3. We can write this any number 1 as same number by same number, right? So we have written 18 by 18 here equals to p. Then we have to find out, here the denominators are same one, that is 18, and then we have to calculate 35 by 18. 35 minus 18 is 17, right? The answer is 17 by 18. It is equals to p, and we could find this answer in 9th one, that is 17 by 18 is here. Okay, and let's move on to the 10th one. Okay, the 10th question is like, if 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x is equal to 4, then value of x is equal to. Okay, let's do this sum. So he has given like 1 by 3, 10th one, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x equals to 4. Then we have to find this value of x. Okay, let's do that. So first of all, we will be adding these two numbers, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, and the LCM is 6. Okay, to get the LCM as 6, we have to multiply with 2 here and 2 here. In the denominator we have to multiply with 3, in the numerator also we will be multiplying with the 3. So 1 2 ja is 2 plus 1 3 ja is 3 plus 1 by x equals to 4. So here we got 5 by 6 plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Here 5 by 6 is doing plus here. If we send it to the other side, it will be doing minus. That is, then 1 by x is equal to 4 minus 5 by 6. Okay, and 1 by x is equal to 6 4 is 24. 24 minus 5 is 19 by 6. So 1 by x is equal to 9 by 6. And then what about the x? That is a reciprocal. That is 6 by 19. So x value is 6 by 19. This is the answer for 10th question. That is 6 by 19, option number 2. So these are all about 1 to 10 sums of exercise number 1. So if you want more sums and if you want more clarifications, if you are having any doubt on any sums, you can please do comment on my channel or below this video, so that I will be explaining other sums. Thank you all.